Hi, my name is Ty Ko. I'm a celebrity hair, makeup, and fashion stylist. And today we're at Bisou Salon and Day Spa here in New York City. And I'm going to show you how to use curlers on short hair. In order to use curlers on short hair, the first thing you want to do is have your sections. The first section being at the recession line going straight back. And you're going to do that on both sides of the head. And then you're going to part horizontally in about a 1/2 inch section. In using the curlers today, in order to get the curl to stay on short hair, you want to have a shine serum and also a hairspray. And you want to add those right before the curler or roller, which I prefer roller. So you're going to add a little bit of shine serum, add a little hairspray, and today we're going to use Velcro rollers. So you want to pull the hair up at a 90-degree angle. Start the roller at the base and pull all the way up to the tip of the hair. As soon as you get to the tip of the hair, you want to begin rolling down. It's very important to keep the tension and keep the hair as taut as possible in order to get the roller and the curl to stay. So we'll do it again. Half-inch section, light bit of shine serum, light bit of hairspray for hold, and start at the base with your roller at a 90-degree angle, going up, keeping tension, and then rolling down all the way to the base. Once you've continued that process, it's then a good idea to spray all of the rollers with hairspray, sit under a dryer, or use a heated dryer to run over all of it to heat the Velcro rollers up. That will help in locking in the curl. And then afterwards, you'll have a perfect curl that will last you at least 24 hours. You use curlers or rollers on short hair.